Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a flat circle using magic ring which does not curve like this. So here is the working end of the yarn. This is the working end of the yarn and this is the tail end. So I'm going to hold the yarn and wrap around my fingers in a slanting way, leaning towards the right. Wrap around and again wrap around on the left, which marks like an X. And from the back side, I'm going to hold this yarn in between my pinky and thumb, like so. Then I'm going to insert my hook upside down, under and over like this, and I'm going to pull this and twist my hook and bring it up. Now I'm going to let go. I'm going to hold this work and let go of everything and then hold my working yarn and make stitch chain one so that it is secure. Now a magic ring is formed. Alright, and now I'm going to do 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 'You're going to hold your tail throughout your work. You're not going to leave that tail, otherwise you will not be able to close the magic ring. Hold the circle and the tail together. Continue crocheting. One last stitch, 10. So I have my 10 stitches on the ring and I'm going to pull this tail like so, closing the circle. And when I do so, if you see, it's already curving. And then when I slip stitch, it curves. There's the center tail which you crochet all along. It curves. And if you do this, in the next round it's going to curve. So I'm going to show you how to make it not curve. So here is my magic ring. Wrap around, leaning towards the right and then towards the left. Then hold the yarn in between your pinky. Insert your hook, pull up this yarn and twist your hook. That's your magic circle. Hold your working yarn and chain one. Here is my tail. You have to hold this tail along your work and crochet over it. Here is my 2. I'm gonna make 10 stitches. 4, 5. So the ring is really big. You're going to pull the yarn as you go and reduce this size of the circle as you go, just enough for the stitches. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have 5 more to go. 6, 7, You gotta keep pulling and leave just enough space for the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 8. Keep closing the circle. 9. Closing it entirely, and there is enough space for just one stitch to go. 10. This way your work won't curve and it lays flat. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch. Pull the yarn tight. You can cut this tail off because it's already sewed inside. This is the curved end, this is the curved piece, and this is the flat one.